Want to know the one investment that Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor, recommends to everyday people? No, it's not Bitcoin, not a hot stock tip. It's something much simpler, and it could make you a millionaire almost automatically. In this video, I'll explain what ETFs are, why they're the lazy investor's secret to building wealth, and how you can start investing today. And stay until the end, because I'm going to share the top ETFs that could set you up for life. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it as a big shopping basket full of stocks, bonds, or even commodities. Instead of buying one stock like Tesla, you get a piece of hundreds of companies at once. It's like ordering a combo meal instead of just fries. Some ETFs track major indexes like the S&P 500. Others focus on sectors like tech, healthcare, or green energy. And here's why they're not just convenient, but life-changing for your money. Let's say you invested $10,000 in the S&P 500 ETF 20 years ago. Today it would be worth more than $70,000. This is the power of compounding. Your money earns money, then that money earns more money. Think of it like planting an apple tree. One tree produces apples with seeds. Those seeds grow into more trees. Soon, you've got an orchard. But before you run out and buy the first ETF you see, there are traps you need to avoid. First mistake, thinking ETFs make you rich overnight. Second mistake, panic selling during a crash. Third mistake, choosing the wrong ETF. Some are super niche. Fun? Yes. Smart long-term? Not always. For beginners, here are the ETFs I think everyone should know about: S&P 500 ETFs, total market ETFs, and global market ETFs. Notice how these are broad, boring, and proven? That's exactly why they work. Millionaire investors love boring. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Step 2. Decide how much you can invest consistently. Step 3. Automate it. Start small, stay consistent, and let decades do the heavy lifting. Time in the market beats timing the market. ETFs are the closest thing to a cheat code for getting rich. They're simple, powerful, and built for everyday people. If you could only invest in one ETF forever, which would it be? Drop your answer in the comments and smash that like button.